So I'm gonna plant this Courgette. It's perfect for containers and for small apartments. So I'm so excited. Actually, this is quite expensive for $4.99, and I bought it from Halifax Seeds. So it just arrived from my mail, and I'm very excited. I was actually looking forward to plant this during the summer so we can have fresh courgettes for the whole summer. Alright, let me just open this and plant this side by side. So this is actually 10 seeds. Yeah, for $4.99. Yeah, it's kind of expensive. Look at that. It's a family of squash. Looks like it's squash seeds. I'll show you this. Yeah. So I'm gonna plant it side by side. This is a pepper. During the winter, it kind of died on us. We let it stay in the house, but still alive. Look at that. There's new leaves coming out. So, oops. Two seeds fell down. There you go. Alright, so let me just dig in some here. I wanted to plant as much as possible, so that way, you know, just have more chances of growing something. You don't know which one's gonna survive the whole growing process. So okay, this right here. So I wanted to plant a couple more here. Courgettes are tasty, good for barbecues, and it says it's perfect for containers. So I'm hoping to get a whole bunch of those products or food during the summer. And I'll definitely give you an update on how this one goes. Alright. This is actually from, one more time, it's a glossy courgette. Yeah, it's good for barbecues. You just put some olive oil on it and just toast it, or yeah, put it on your barbecue stand. Alright, I'll definitely keep you posted on what's gonna happen on this. So I have planted 5 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll keep you posted, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.